Namaste. Yoga is a process where quality is more important than quantity. Which means more than how many times you do a particular process, how you do is more important. I have heard people saying that they do 50 Surya Namaskar in a day, 108 Surya Namaskar in a day. More than how many times you do it, even if you do a few rounds of Surya Namaskar, do it properly. Some people say they stay in Shirshasana for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. More than standing for longer time, even if you stay in Shirshasana for half a minute or 1 minute, that is more than enough. But it should be done with proper focus. The quality of doing that action is more important than how many times you do it or how long you do it. Things like observing the right process of doing it. How do you breathe in a particular process, in a particular asana? The grace of action, the control, the balance, drishti, how do you look? The poise, all these finer points are more important than the quantity or the number of times that you do it or the duration of stay. Let me explain to you through a simple example. It's a loosening exercise that we do before yogasanas. You need to tell me what is the missing point of this practice. It's a cycling exercise. Please observe this and just think in your mind what is missing in this action. You can observe I am doing the cycling exercise. My thighs are moving, my knees are moving. Now there is something missing in this action. Can you think through and find out what is missing in this? To find out what is missing in this exercise, let us do an actual bicycle ride and see what is happening there and what is missing here. Now I am riding a bicycle here. You can see. Just observe. Now when I come here, the angle between the feet and the shin is more than 90 degrees. When I come here, the angle between the feet and the shin bone is less than 90 degrees. So you can see this is less than 90, this is more than 90. You can see the change in angles, acute, obtuse, acute, obtuse angle. Less than 90, more than 90. Less than 90, more than 90. Less than 90, more than 90. Less than 90, more than. So this change of angles between the feet and the shin is the quality point of a bicycle riding. So when you do an actual cycling exercise, the angle between the feet and the shin has to keep changing. So let me do it now properly. I'm going to do the same action, adding that pinch of quality into the action. Observe my feet now. You can observe when I bring my thighs up, the angle becomes less than 90, and when the thigh goes away from the stomach, it is becoming more than 90. So this mindful action is what yoga is all about. How do you bring the element of quality, the pinch of quality into your action is more important than how many times you do an activity. Namaste.